Hello there. Today I'm going to teach you about Fibonacci Tool and how to use it to find pullback entries. First, you need to understand Fibonacci levels when trading. There are many Fibonacci levels can use for pullback entries. Personally, I'm using two Fibonacci setups that can identify pullbacks and extension levels that where is the price going to go. I hope you know what is a pullback. After the pullback, price next target is identified as extensions levels. First of all, you can copy my first Fibonacci levels and save it as setup 1. These levels are great to identify simply all the pullback levels that can price is heading to. Screenshot this and set up later. First, focus on the content. Okay. First, let's try how to find pullback on uptrend momentum. When price is moving up and try to pull back, we apply Fibonacci tool from the swing low to swing high. Now you can see price has bounced from 0.382 level. These are the retracement levels. 0.236 level is 80% from pullback from the trend. Not much good for enter. 0.382 level is 60% from pullback from the trend. Good to enter, but need to get good confirmations, like strong support or resistance. As you can see, gold daily chart has bounced from the 0.382 level, and this level is a good support zone. After you get confirmations, you can enter a buy position with 30 to 40 pips stop loss if you are using higher time frames like 4-hour or daily. And your first take profit must be at swing high level. That is, upper zero level at Fibonacci. You can see this trade has only 40 pips stop loss. This is your first take profit. And what if you can get second take profit level as well? For that, you need the second Fibonacci setup levels. These are the second Fibonacci setup levels. Screenshot this and set up later. Or you can combine both setup levels for one Fibonacci setup. But that would be messy. In the second Fibonacci setup, you can easily find price extension levels. This is your second take profit level. And this is your ultimate extension level. Take profit 3. And today gold has reaches take profit 3. I'm explaining with good examples. Now let's go to a lower time frame, like 1 hour. In 1 hour time frame, I'm recognize this as my swing low. And this is my swing high. I'm applying the Fibonacci. Now you can see, first price has bounced from the 0.382 level and run up to 140 pips. And again price has pulled back to the 0.5 Fibonacci level and bounce back and fly up to more than 200 pips. 0.5 level is 50% pullback from the price. 0.5 level is strong bounce level. That can use some big lots with proper money management. And if you need to find second and third take profit levels, you can use second Fibonacci setup to identify extension levels. This is take profit 2. This is Take Profit 3. Easy and full accurate, right? Let's break down this to more lower time frame. My favorite time frame is 5 minutes time frame. I'm applying the Fibonacci from swing low to swing high. Now, this level is called the golden pocket zone. This is high probability bounce zone. When price pullback to this zone, you can enter a buy position with a big lot size and proper money management. And your stop loss must be below the 0.786 Fibonacci level. You can see, this trade has a less than 20 pip stop loss. If you need more extension levels, now you know what to do. Switch to the second Fibonacci setup and find your next take profit levels. Okay, now let's see how to identify Fibonacci levels on downtrend market. The principles are the same. Apply the Fibonacci from the swing high to swing low. And price has bounced from 0.5 level. And this level is a good resistance zone. And price didn't reach to the golden pocket. Always remember, if the price is bouncing from 0.382 or 0.5 levels, you need to use minimum 40 pip stop loss. If you need more extension levels, switch to the second Fibonacci setup and mark the extension levels as your take profit levels. With the Fibonacci tool and good knowledge, you can get trades that has higher win rate and also has 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. Okay, that's enough with Fibonacci tool. I'll explain more later. I have more powerful weapons in my arsenal. For learn about my other trading methods and tools that you need to subscribe me. And hit the bell icon to get updates more faster. And also join with my free gold signal channel. It's all free. Link in the description. Safe trading, guys. Gold Master out.